guys, and welcome back to Creative Glam. My name is Sharon, and in today's video I'm going to share with you Cook, Clean, Create with me.
So I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. Means to a beginning of a brighter day. Letting in a feeling, mending what we break. Find the solution in this.
So I'm going to get a jump start on this day, but first, coffee.
You control the way you see the world. Come so far, now let go.
So let's get started with unloading the dishwasher.
Take its toll.
Today I'm going to do some spot cleaning in the common areas of my home. These are the areas that I clean on a weekly basis. It's not a whole house clean, but it is touching the spots that we use most often. And I also have to finish up some laundry. I'm going to create a fall centerpiece for my kitchen island. And then I'm going to share with you what I cooked for dinner. There wasn't a lot of dishes, but all the silverware was in there. So I'm going to offload the dishwasher and get it started with reloading.
Messing with the limits, push away the pain. Life is a playground, you can play the game. Look to the horizon, the sun is on the way. Move till the nighttime, then we'll fade away. Find the solution in dissonance. You control the way you see the world. We've come so far, and now let go. Let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know? This is music for the soul. Let the music take it.
Make sure I change it from clean to dirty because that just really confuses the men in my home. I usually hand wash my coffee cup and then I put it back on the coffee maker because I'm the only one that drinks it daily. Well, no, that's not true. My husband drinks it too, but I wake up before anyone else, so I usually am the first to make coffee, I should say, not the only.
Means to a beginning of a brighter day. Letting in a feeling, mending what we break. Find the solution in dissonance. You control the way you see the world. We've come so far, and now let go. Let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know? This is music for the soul. Let the music take control. Messing with the limits, push away the pain. Life is a playground, you can play the game. Look to the horizon, the sun is on the way. Move till the nighttime, then we'll fade away. Find the solution in dissonance.
In here, I'm just gonna clean out the sink. It wasn't too bad. I just had a few items that needed to be put away. And as I said, unload the dishwasher because I was completely out of silverware. And then reload it with the few items that were left in the sink.
Now let go, let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know this is me.
I'm going to take some of the stainless steel glass cleaner and wipe down the stainless steel portions of my kitchen. And I'm also going to go up above the microwave and clean the glass, the mirrors that I have in the front of my cabinets above the microwave.
Take me to the streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. Means to a beginning of a brighter day. Letting in a feeling, mending what we break. Find the solace in a dissonance. You control the way you see the world.
When I went into the refrigerator to get a glass of iced tea, I noticed that the cake plate was a little dusty. I decided to wipe that off too. So here I'm just going to wipe the dust and the fingerprints off the storm door. It makes such a difference when you look through that glass door and it's free of fingerprints. Hey guys, let's connect on social media on Instagram and Pinterest at Creative Glam 1. I'm going to leave additional photos to this video over there. Stop by and check me out. And make sure you follow. Now it's time to finish up some laundry. I'm going to offload a load of colors and I'm going to start a load of whites.
Messing with the limits, push away the pain. Life is a playground, you can play the game. Look to the horizon, the sun is on the way. Move till the nighttime, then we'll fade away. Find the solace in a dissonance. You control the way you see the world. We've come so far, and now let go. Let the feeling take its toll. Worked so hard.
And now I'm going to vacuum again. High traffic areas. You got to touch them often. And then I'm just going to Swiffer the kitchen floor along with the bathrooms.
Take me to the streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. Means to a beginning of a brighter day. Letting in a feeling, mending what we break.
And once I'm finished cleaning the kitchen, I always light the candle because I love when that scent permeates a clean kitchen.
Let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know this is music for the soul.
I purchased these fall stems from Hobby Lobby, as you can tell by the bag. They're so pretty. I believe they had these last year, but I didn't get the burgundy. Not quite sure if I'm going to use it here, but I might. But I'm certainly going to use the cream colored ones. And I got a new pumpkin sprig. I thought that was pretty too. And I'm going to put them together with some sprigs that, with some fall florals that I already had. Let's take these out. Let's see what we can come up with.
Messing with the limits, push away the pain. Life is a playground.
It's not your traditional fall colors, but I love it just the same. It still says fall to me. And once I've finished with my fall centerpiece, it's time to prepare dinner.
Find the solace in a dissonance. You control the way you see the world. We've come so far, and now let go. Let the feeling take its toll. We've worked so hard, now don't you know this is music for the soul. Let the music take control. Take me to the streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. Means what beginning of a brighter day. Letting in a feeling, mending what we break. Find the solace in a dissonance. You control the way you see the world.
And my menu is going to be barbecue beef rib tips, fried potatoes and onions, steakhouse baked beans, and Brussels sprouts. I'm going to slice up some potatoes to make fried potatoes and onions. Fried potatoes and onions. We need smell-o-vision. There's nothing like onions and potatoes. And the beef tips are in the oven. I think the beef tips are actually done.
Take me to the streets so I can celebrate. Never knew a feeling better than today. Means what
And here I'm going to take the petite Brussels sprouts. I'm going to add them to a pot and add some chicken stock, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes, and butter. Those are my go-to seasonings. The steakhouse baked beans was something that was already prepared that I got from Costco's. So I opened the container and I poured it into a pot and I added, again, salt, pepper, chili powder, and red pepper flakes. Now my barbecue beef rib tips are done. That looks so good. This is one of those comfort meals for autumn. Dinner's ready. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my cleaning routine. And don't forget, at the end of this video, click one of the links to see more home decor by Creative Glam. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you right back here next time on Creative Glam. Bye.